Bruxism, or teeth grinding, is a problem which a lot of people have. I had a client who actually bit their way through a mouth guard which was prescribed by the dentist. Usually in these instances, the person, their brain doesn't really shut down. It's a bit like having a computer that never really switches off and the hard drive just keeps going round and round again. The secret with this is to be able to discover a more appropriate response, so the person's able to relax more easily, especially when it comes to sleep, so that they can begin to start to relax into a deeper state of rest, and when they wake up in the morning they feel refreshed and they don't exhibit the old grinding behavior.